Uh, 2005 Mercedes Benz CLK320. Do the oil change real quick. That's the oil cap right there. Oil filter. Huh. Okay. You can get these set from Amazon or your favorite auto body store. Just look it up as European car uh, oil filter set. All right. That's what we're going to use. There you go. The oil filter comes with the oil rings and all that. That's what I'm using. Oh, don't forget to remove all the rings. That's it. Now we put it back. Tie this nugget. 8 millimeter. I have to remove this whole thing. We got 6 of this. Screws. 3 on each side. So be careful, don't let it fall on you. It seems we have 4 more over here. Thank you, Mercedes Benz. Can you see me? All drain plug is going to be right here, okay? Look like a 13 or something. That's going to be 13 or 12. 13 millimeter socket on for this oil drain plug. Yep. What you think about that oil? We're gonna drain it, and this oil filter doesn't come with a washer, so I'm gonna reuse a washer. And this oil is done. If washers usually don't go bad that fast, so um, everything Gucci, everything golden. If it's cracked, then you're gonna need a new washer. Uh, but so far so good. A lot of people are like, yeah, every time you do the oil change, you gotta replace a washer. Well, if you have the washer, yeah, you're welcome to replace it. If you don't, what you gonna do? You gotta get that oil filter that comes with it. Make sure when you go to your auto parts store, don't forget to ask the clerk, yeah, give me the oil filter that comes with the washer. Now all the oil filters come with the washer. Right? Tight it, snug it, clean after yourself. You know the drill. Put the cover back, all of that. 8.5 quarts, 5W30. That's full synthetic oil. 8.5 quarts. Now, put the engine oil cap back. Start the car. Let it run for a minute. Um, so the oil go through the whole system. Then shut the car down. This baby is an oil dipstick, which goes over here in the back. But this one doesn't have it though. Hopefully your car does. And if it doesn't, you can order this oil dipstick for Mercedes Benz online. Amazon is one of those. Rockauto.com. Anyways, that's pretty much it on this baby. I just want to give shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. Thank you for the love, thank you for support. No need to tell you what to do with subscribe, like, share buttons. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. If you want to contribute to the channel, some more, there's a bar right below the video. It's called Super Tense. Click on it, it's going to ask you for a tip. And yeah, I would appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. With all the contribution, I'll buy new equipment like accessories for the camera, such as microphones, tripods, flashlights, things like that. That's why it feels like you're in the first row. You know what I'm saying? High quality stuff. It's pretty much it. It's me. It's Stu Boom. You know what? Find me. Yeah.